On how to make sambar from paruppu. We have already done a video on how to make paruppu. As in paruppu means dal. So in this dal I have used radish and carrot as vegetables. So I have cooked the dal with 3 tumbler of water. I have added carrot, radish, shallots, 2 green chilies, and I have cooked it up to 3 whistles in a pressure cooker. So now I am just mixing the dal so that everything gets smashed and blended well. This is well blended now. Just keep it aside. For making sambar, you will be needing a little fenugreek, jeera, mustard and broken urad dal, badagam. Badagam is optional. This is just a mixture of spices. Badagam is nothing but just a mixture of spices. This is tamarind, which I have soaked in 1 cup of water. I have taken about a small lemon sized tamarind, and this is 1 medium sized tomato chopped. Heat a kadai. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil. 2 tablespoons will do because we are not going to fry much. Temper this oil with mustard seeds, jeera, and some fenugreek. If you add more fenugreek, you will get a bitter taste, so be careful about the quantity. And some badagam. To this, add the tomatoes. Let it fry. Fry it in a low flame so that it doesn't get burned. While the tomato is cooking, add a very little quantity of turmeric powder. Try again. For making sambar, you can either add sambar powder. If you are adding sambar powder, I have taken about 100 grams of dal. For that, I am adding 2 tablespoons of sambar powder. If you are not adding sambar powder, you can add chili powder and coriander powder in 1:2 ratio. So it's cooking now. You can see that the tomato is getting smashed well. And you can see the oil separating out. And at this point, you have to add the tamarind water. Add little more water to this tamarind. Mix well so that all the tamarind juice gets into the water. Just add the water, not the tamarind. See, the tamarind is here. So mix well. So let it come to boil. In the meantime, this is the dal. I mixed it well. You can see that the dal is a little thick. If you're going to eat just the dal, this is the consistency. But for sambar, it has to be a little more watery. So I'm just turning on the flame and keeping it in a low flame. Add just a little water, not so much, about a quarter cup. So you can see that the spices are getting boiled. At this point, turn off the flame and pour this into the dal. Mix well. The sambar is also thick. You can make it a little thin if you want, but I prefer this consistency for sambar. So you have to bring that to boil. Add salt to taste. Mix well and bring it to boil. You can see the sambar starting to boil. At this point, add some chopped coriander leaves and mix well. This adds to the flavor. Sambar is done. Check for the salt. If you need more salt, you can add salt. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.